Welcome to the McLeod In Motion series. Today I'm joined with Kim Wallace, who is a solutions architect here at McLeod Software. Good morning, Kim.
Morning, Robert.
So tell me a little bit about your history here at McLeod Software. I know you've been here a while.
Sure. So my 10th year at McLeod is going on right now after spending over 30 years on the transportation, truck and brokerage side before coming here.
Okay. So you should have a little bit of experience based on your background for our topic today. Our topic is improving your driver's experience with a new module called Trip Management.
Yes, sir. So our new trip management capability creates a trip plan, as you can see here, for every load that's dispatched that takes into account many verticals, such as hours of service, required breaks, fueling, the route that's going to be needed to get the truck where it's headed, expected traffic delays, and even weather delays when they're present, and then presents both the dispatcher or driver manager a starting point to jointly create a trip plan based on these considerations. Now, importantly, once the trip's underway, it monitors the conditions along the route and the progress of the truck, and then warns the dispatcher or driver manager when the circumstances arise that could or will have an impact on that trip plan. For an example, our driver might have been delayed at the time of loading, and then that can cause the route to hit a really bad traffic jam that we know from the historical data that we have that it happens at the same time every day. So think of hitting the perimeter at Atlanta at 5 p.m. on a Friday. Maybe there's a snowstorm or high winds on Interstate 80 through Nebraska or Wyoming that we have to consider, and that's also bound to cause a delay. Now, trip management's evaluating that trip and any other pre-planned trips constantly, and then warnings are sent to the driver managers and gives them the opportunity to adjust the plan or perhaps just even request a change in the delivery appointment window to accommodate the things that have came up on the trip that weren't accounted for in the original trip plan.
Okay, so trip management takes into account and gives the driver and dispatcher a plan before the movement starts, but it also deals with things as they happen, right?
Absolutely. It's all about being proactive and recognizing possible events that can occur, delays en route, anything at all that the system considers a risk to having a correct arrival within the delivery window as prescribed by the customer when the order was taken.
Okay. Thanks, Kim.
You're welcome.
If you have any questions about this or any other module that McLeod Software offers, please feel free to contact one of our software sales representatives.